everyone, welcome to the channel. I thought I would do a brief update to my video I posted, I think last week, about setting up my 3D printing print farm. And yes, this is me in all my glory. I'm Lori, I'm the owner of 3D Printed Dragonfly. As you can see, I have lots of gray hair. I never wear makeup. This is me in all my glory. I thought about sprucing up and getting fancy, but that's just not me. I'm about to turn 62 in a couple months. Yes, I have very gray hair now. I stopped dyeing it last year sometime because I was just tired of dyeing it all the time. I normally wear t-shirts and shorts. I'm in Florida, so I pretty much, that's my year-round outfit these days. And I'm not fancy. So yeah, I'm not going to be fake about it. I'm going to be me. I'm decided I'm not going to bother doing my nails and putting on makeup and dyeing my hair and all that just to show up on camera. I normally don't like being on front of camera, but you know, I'm trying to get better at it. For the update, I have gotten my printers, most of my printers moved over into the other spare bedroom in my house. I used to have my 3D printers in my art studio, which is like across the hall, well, around the corner across the hall, because I have a 2-story loft that's in the middle of the way, but that's here and that's not here or there. But anyway, I moved them over onto my other spare bedroom. That is eventually going to be my library / sci-fi collectibles room. That is a total disaster. I'm not going to show you the one side of the room because it is a total disaster. But I have a temporary setup now with 4 of my 5 3D printers in here. And I have a new printer coming in a couple of days that I haven't decided yet if it's going to come in here or it's going to stay in the art studio. It'll probably stay in the art studio for a while until I get it all configured and everything, and then I might move it over here. Haven't decided yet, but it's going to be a bigger, faster, more modern printer. Not really bigger, but faster and more modern. But anyway, so I thought I'd switch the camera and show you the room, or show you my temporary setup. I got to get a new rack and fancy jazz things up a little bit. I temporarily have it on a folding table with a door over top, which, yeah, it's not the best setup, and I have an old quilt on top of that just to keep things kind of organized. I did get 4 Wi-Fi printers. These are Tapo TP-Link cameras, wiring. They're not Wi-Fi. They're not wireless. They're Wi-Fi. So I can monitor the printers from my art studio, which is, like I said, it's across the hall, but I have to go around my loft to get there, which is a mess right now, so I'm not going to show you that. But at any rate, this is my not so fancy setup that works for me for now. This is the little photography setup I have in my art studio, which once I get this place totally cleaned up, I'll give you guys a tour of my art studio too. But this is the set that I've designed that is selling very well right now on Etsy. It is designed for the Honeydukes Miniverse Harry Potter set. So you can see I have some of mine in there to just show them off. I have the window set up. I have a display case with a hard plastic top. And the lid lifts off so you can store extra pieces parts in there, which is great. I have the shelving unit, which is my best seller so far. I'm very, very grateful. My Etsy shop is doing great. I've also been selling them on eBay. I also just got approved for Walmart.com. I'm not certain what I'm going to list there yet. Right now, I've got to print like 33 more items this week to get caught up on orders. So before I list anything else or any place else, I'm going to get caught up on orders and get all these shipments out and then see from there. And like I said, I've got one printer I've got to fix an extruder on. And I've got a new printer coming in 2 days. So hopefully that will help me catch up the slack. So anyway, so far I have made money, which is great. I'm going through a heck of a lot of filament. I had to do a lot of test prints to get these right. It's been a process. I've been printing since 2017, but really just here and there, and not trying to do it as a production. So this is a whole new area trying to get used to and trying to figure out. So anyway, I'm planning to try to do an update video at least once a week. So if you'd like to hit the subscribe button and follow me, if you are planning to set up your own little print farm at home, let me know, because I'd love to hear what you're doing and how you're doing it. Listen, I am sticking with all Creality printers, at least for the foreseeable future. And hey, if Creality, if you want to send me a printer, I'd be happy to show it off. I am going to do an unboxing and setup video for the Ender 3. It's the Ender 3 V3 Plus that is coming in a couple days. So, hope to see it. I will be doing that probably this weekend. And, yeah, that's about it for today. So, have fun, everybody.